At IDEA, we believe that the capturing process should happen seamlessly, just like the experience itself does. PETA is the world's first transformative drone that enables true versatility in a way that you capture your experience, whether it's aerial, handheld, or mounted. PETA transforms to your needs in a matter of seconds. The Action Cam module has 3 screw holes for universal mounting. Changing modes is quick and easy with modular design that magnetically snaps and twists to lock. Optimized for the first-time pilots across all ages, PETA is light and small to take with you everywhere without adding extra bulk. With our vision recognition technology to target and follow users, capturing with PETA is as easy as throwing it with a click of a button.
Our team has deployed a number of vision recognition technologies across many different sectors. We have been working days and nights for the last year and a half to bring the same video processing technologies to PETA, to create a small yet powerful autonomous drone that combines all the pros of previous drones and action cameras. We have completed development and are now in need of your help to move on to the manufacturing stage to shed light on PETA. Please join us to make PETA a reality.
The first scanner came into the world in 1984. Since then, the scanning technology updates very slowly. In a highly developed smart office today, people still have to use the traditional scanner, which is not user-friendly or efficient enough. We want to make a change. This is the Caesar scanner, a redefined smart office equipment. It is fast, able to store data in the cloud, and it can easily scan books. To improve the scanning speed to less than 1.5 seconds per page, Caesar innovatively uses the CMOS scanning technology and equipped with 32-bit MIPS CPU to transfer the information easily and omit the complicated procedures of installing driver. Caesar Cloud enables automatic cloud processing and storage. To achieve the goal of scanning bounded books, Caesar is equipped with the advanced smart algorithms, which can flatten curve, remove fingerprint, purify background, and split pages automatically. In addition, with Sony HD camera, Caesar can guarantee the high quality of scanning. With embedded OCR function, Caesar can make image editable with one click. With the innovative visual presenter function, Caesar can output 1080 video at 30 frames per second. Caesar is a smart scanner based on cloud computing and IoT technology. No matter where you are, in office or at home, no matter what they are, financial invoices, business contracts, or private collection books, Caesar can always help you scan easily and efficiently.
This is the moment in every video shoot. This is how you bring it to life. This is pure perfection. And this is RG Kit Play, a motion control kit, but much more than a motion control kit. Move your design and camera with these motors and accessories. Control it all with your phone. Go round, back and forth. Almost fall, but don't. You name it. So whether you're an amateur or a pro, you could create these experiences in your studio, at your home, on your very own desk. To make this easy, here's what we did. There were too many wires, we took that out. A set of wireless modules and a phone app for every movement. Engineered the driver board to create motion stability. Bye-bye jitters. Designed loads of accessories for tons of movement with one motor. And this one here controls light, among other things. Interactivity, we added a sensor for that, so you can have access to an all-inclusive tool to bring your ideas to life.
The fusion between the hardware and the software seamlessly becomes part of your design process. So you just plug in the modules, and they automatically sense each other and connect to your phone wirelessly. On RGKit app, you can control all the modules with zero line of code. So here, you have two modes. Manual, where you can control all the modules in real time, and auto mode, when you can create a sequence of movement on the app. You can play around with the speed, acceleration, duration, and a lot more. And when you click play, the sequence starts automatically. To make RGK Play even more versatile, we created RGK Play accessories. All made of metal, CNC machined, laser cut with very high precision, and coated to give you this playful finish.
The possibilities are remarkable. In your stop motion, you can choreograph an entire sequence, connect this to that, and finish before your deadline. And instead of your interactive concept only existing on paper, it can be in an actual exhibition. An actual exhibition. Sync your light, subject, and camera movement like a pro. Have full control over the movements and take a video like this.
We have been working with high-speed brands for the last couple of years. And this year, we decided to follow our dream of making RGK Play accessible for all creative. We created hundreds of prototypes, iterations, wrote endless lines of code, worked with high-quality production factories, and we just need enough orders to start our first production batch. You can order yours now on Kickstarter and choose from different rewards. With your support, we can make this happen. and opens the doors for all creatives to play with movement like a pro.
This is RGKit Play.